Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of your dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see a set of guided steps. These walk you through everything from connecting your store to publishing your first product. It's the perfect place to start. Now, let's look at the menu on the left from top to bottom. At the very top, you'll see your store. If you haven't connected one yet, you'll see a Connect Store button. Once you're connected, this is where your active store shows. And if you have more than one store, you can switch between them here, so you always know which store you're working in. Just below, you'll find your Ownprint points. You can use these for discounts at checkout or to power your AI designs, mockups, and message cards. Next, let's go through the main menu. My Ownprint is your home base, where you'll find those guided steps when you're starting out. Product Catalog is where you browse and choose the products you want to sell. Stores is where you connect a new store, manage the ones you have, and manage the products you've imported. Orders is where you review, pay for, and keep track of all your orders. Notifications is where we'll let you know if anything needs your attention, or where we announce new updates that you should know about. Community is where you join our seller community, share your wins, and learn from others. We really recommend joining. The Learn tab is where you'll find all of our video tutorials like this one, showing you how every feature in our app works, step by step. The Video and Content tab gives you ready-made videos of our products that you can use in your own listings. Settings is where you manage your account details, like your account name and the billing information used on your invoices. Finally, at the bottom, there's Support. Here you can find answers to common questions or reach our team directly by sending a ticket. And that's your dashboard. Everything you need is right here in one place, and each feature has its own video if you'd like to go deeper. So take a look around and let's start building your jewelry business.